Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who don't know me, my name is Adrienne. If you've been with me since the beginning of summer 2022 and watched all my travel vlogs, then you already know which item I consider the MVP of my European trip. For everyone else, I never thought that a small crossbody would be such an essential item overseas. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Snapshot Crossbody by Marc Jacobs. As you can see here, I have the black-red version with the gold logo hardware. The strap does have the Marc Jacobs name on it, and it is adjustable. So you can adjust it, you could remove it because there are clips on either side. So you could remove it, you could use your own strap, you could purchase another one from Marc Jacobs, or you can create your own. And you can actually remove the straps from either side and wear it as a clutch. So the dimensions of this bag are 6.5 inches in width, 4.5 inches in height, and 2.5 inches in depth. Doing a 360 of the exterior of the bag, the front has a signature gold JJ logo. On top, you'll see the Marc Jacobs name imprint and a dual zip closure that goes in opposite directions. I really like this because it helps prevent anyone from intentionally going through your bag while it's still on you. When I was traveling across Europe solo, I read and heard so many stories about pickpocketers. I came up with so many scenarios on how to prevent it from happening to me. Anyways, what I was getting at was the fact that these zippers go in opposite directions. It would be harder for criminals to get access to the contents of your bag, especially if you keep the crossbody in front of you. Yes, if there's a will, there's a way, but this may just present itself as too complicated. There's also an exterior slip pocket in the back. I'm in love with this crossbody and I continue to wear it all around San Diego. I'm actually considering purchasing more bags of the Snapshot in different colors because it's just so convenient. If you have this bag, let me know what you think of it. If you're debating on whether or not this bag is right for you, I would suggest going in stores and trying it on for yourself. Seeing something in person and actually being able to touch it gives you a whole different perspective than seeing it online. I got this at my local Nordstrom and they had so many different colors on display. I was able to just go up, grab it, and try it on. And I fell in love with this one. So let me know what you guys think about it. If you saw this bag in real life, would you actually buy it considering the size? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time.